riding in Fresno. Interesting part about Fresno is bike lanes like right next to the road. I wish I would have adjusted my derailleur before I left. Anywho, this is an Air Force base. And if we get lucky today, we might see some fighter jets parked out here. We've got the 144th Fighter Wing. I'm really hoping they have the jets out today. We should, like up on that little intersection over there. I think in between those walls, we might be able to see through, but if not, I'm gonna snake around the airport and see if we can see those bad boys there. Last time I was here, they were all parked out and it was freaking cool just seeing them all there. But we'll see. You can kind of see the top of the hangars right now. I shipped my bike out here. I got a new EVOC bag. Shipped it out. It was fun. I'm either an idiot or something was up, because one of the locks ended up not unlocking. Definitely had to break it so I could get my rear wheel out. I see some fighter jet tanks. You can see a bunch of old gas tanks for the fighter jets there. That's freaking cool. Oh, this is terrifying.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked
up.
up.
Road for this, but oh well, whatever. We'll sort it out. No jets out today. That's disappointing. That's a bummer, man. That's a big old truck. Nice. Don't take out that light post. Ooh! That was scary. Anything cool over here? Nope. Probably be a nice little 5 to 10 mile ride today. I gotta get back to the hotel by 4:30 so I can shower, go to dinner with Rich and Sean. Those are my co-workers. They don't like cycling, so, well, funny thing, Sean came to bike party once and definitely almost killed him by accident. Andrew and I were sharing a like peanut butter something, and Sean shared his beer with us. Then when Sean went to drink his beer, he has a severe peanut allergy and he almost died because of it. So kind of a lessons learned there. Don't share your beer with your friends that are eating peanut crackers if you have a peanut allergy. This is 100% a dead end. What a freaking lovely day. It's like mid-50s, just freaking riding bikes. In Fresno. I'm stoked to have that new bike bag and just be able to freaking bring my bike with me everywhere. Just anywhere I fly. Woo! Little gravel action. Anywhere I fly, just fucking pack the bike up and let's party, dude. My jaw is freaking killing me with this thing. Dude, look at this freaking bike trail. Hell yeah. Check this out. This is awesome. Freaking just smooth as silk. What the hell was this 10 minutes ago when I was doing 25 miles an hour down a 3-lane road? Man. Boy, howdy, this is beautiful asphalt. Look at this, dude. This is probably the one that goes to Clovis, so my plan was to ride the Clovis Trail one of these days. I think this bad boy right here might be the ticket. I think we'll turn left at this light. So I'm gonna follow the sidewalk for a while. Oh, look at that. They do have bike lanes. Give them that. Whoop. And the sidewalk kind of just ends. I'm following the Hobo Railroad, or some guy just randomly pushed a shopping cart in here while it was still a little bit wet. Like, look at this. Look at this cute little thing. Look at that cute little thing. Oh, silver and shit. The Kona. Bust my ass. With the Kona. Rocking the flat 510s today. Nothing special. I got the Velo Shambas with me, but after fighting with that lock today, I just wanted to get the bike assembled, throw some shit on my feet, and let's get out the door. Like, worry about what shoes and everything. I didn't have time for that. Oh, it looks like we got some more gravel. Adventure time. Oh, dude, look, a freaking Chinook. Look at that. Got some military choppers over here. Dude, Murphy's gonna be so freaking jealous. We got a couple Chinooks, a couple of Blackhawks, whatever that is, a Sky something rather. That's freaking awesome. Fuck yeah, I love Chinooks. This fence is wreaking havoc with my eyes right now. Just fucking. I think, if memory serves me correct, we're gonna pass my pizza place up here. Good old Marco's Pizza. Whee! Adventure. Dumbass. It's unfortunate that people are forced to live like this. It's also like a interesting juxtaposition where I'm staying at that Fairfield right there, and right across the wall are people who are cold, hungry, and some want help and others kind of don't. It's a damn shame, really. Oh, there's Sean. You can tell because of his dumb head. I'm gonna give him a nice little salute. Fuck you. Eat a dick. Oh, nice. You want to trade? That was my coworker. That's Sean. All right. That was a fun 10-mile ride.